Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. Now, before we get into this, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, regardless of whether you just subscribed to my channel an hour ago or you've been with me for the last 5 years that I've had my channel. So, I hope everyone is also getting ready for Christmas. It's not that long, and it's going to be here. Ugh, I'll be glad when it's over, just be honest. So, all right, let's get into this. So, this comes to me from Diamond Art Gift, and I just got a couple items from them. So, I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out of this big bag. And let's just start with this one because it's the small one. And then I got a big one. And where is the opening? Jack, you got room on that struggle bus? I need a seat. Alright, so. Alright, let's open this up. It comes with your standard toolkit, which is just your boat wax pen. It has special drills to this, and I'm going to roll it backwards. Alright, so this is what I got. I thought it was cute. It's different from what I normally get. This is a 30 by 30. Only has 9 colors. But you can see they've got the gem codes on there. And the schematic is on the top right, bottom left. And we've got 2 butterflies. And then we've got some flowers and some greenery. And it's supposed to look like a picture, because this is the picture frame. So I thought that was really cute. And the stick is super, super sticky. Alright. Let me just try to get some of this wrinkles out of the plastic. Wow. Almost makes me wonder if the plastic's on backwards. Okay, so again, this is what it is. It looks really good. And obviously, it's sticky, except for where it's not supposed to be sticky. And then we will look at these. I don't know why, but I've just gotten so into doing these special shapes here lately. So we have got some yellow iridescent half rounds, pearls, whatever y'all want to call them. We've got these orange slivers. We've got some blue slivers. Then we've got some green, some very light blue, some pinkish purple, yellow, and orange. Some great colors in there. So those look pretty good. Alright, so this on Diamond Art Gift's website is called Butterfly Crafts, and it was $4.99. So I'm going to set this over to the side for a minute, because this one is pretty big. I seen this one and I just had to have it. I just thought he was so cute. And this is a 55 by 40. And it's got that very flimsy material like canvas. So here is a pair of tweezers. I guess they forgot to stick it in a bag and just threw them in with the canvas. I just knocked that off. Okay. So this is an above average toolkit. So you see we've got a pen with a squishy. It's got the thin, really good 4-placer. It's got a thin, what is that one? It doesn't say, but I'm sure it's probably a 9, maybe 8 or 9 placer. You got 2 big old things of wax in there. Plus you've got these little metal tweezers and then your white boat with the spout. And then we have got all the drills, and these have got ABs in it, so we're going to look at them in just a minute to see how many ABs is in there. So this is what I got. Here is the thumbnail. Isn't it cute? And it's got 35 colors. It's got DMCs, and we are looking at letters, numbers, symbols. It's got it all. So let me see if I can get some of the wrinkles out. And I know that a lot of people will be like, oh, well, that's a fall. Well, it is, but that's okay. I like scarecrows and I like sunflowers. And if I want to do this in February, I'll do it in February. I don't wait and just do canvases, you know, Christmas canvases around Christmas. If I want to do one in July, I will, you know. It doesn't matter. So, very clear drill field. I know y'all probably gonna have a little bit of trouble seeing it because of the way my lighting is set up. I had to rearrange my craft room, and it still isn't the way I want it, but it's better than what it was. So it does have, in some areas, it does have what they call the dummy circles or training wheels, whichever one you want to call it. So, but all in all, I mean, it looks really good. I'm just sitting here looking. Is that a freaking hair? What is it? The last time, or a couple times before, I did an unbagging and it had a hair in it. Heck, that might have been mine. I don't know. But if not, then ugh. So anyway, there's the thumbnail for it again. Schematics on the top left, bottom right. And I'm going to turn this over real quick and see just how many of the ABs are in here. So ABs, if you're just now joining, AB means Aurora Borealis, which is just a special coating that they put on the drills on a regular drill to make them sparkle. So there's one. And this is a round. I don't think I even mentioned that. But on the bags, you can see it has the DMC number and then how many drills is in the bag. Plus they're numbered 1 through however many I said that was in this. So if you work out of bags, this is great. Me, it doesn't matter. I can work out of the bags. If they're like this, I just work out of the bags. There's another one. There's one. Ooh, there's one. I know a lot of people don't like bags. They don't bother me. There's another one. And that's a big old bag. It's orange. Like I said, I know there's a lot of people that don't like working out of bags. But to me, that's just one less thing I got to do. Even though I do love kitting up. It's just something about the process. I love doing it. I also like kitting down. And I know a lot of people that is like, they don't want to kit up, and they don't want to kit down. They just want to do the canvas. So, but we have 550, which is a purple. That is my favorite DMC number, 550. And then we have 720. And they look really good. We've got 919. We've got 666. And we have 842. That's really pretty. So let's look and see where these ABs are going to go. You know, a lot of them is going to go in these sunflowers. So let's see, 666. This is the first one I grabbed. Let's see. That is, oh my goodness, an R. So it's going to be, I'm going to, yeah, there's some R's in his nose, in the hat, the patch of the hat, and in the scarf. Okay. And then, let's see, 550. What is 550? D's. So, where are the D's? Okay, there's some D's right there. So it's just going to be right here in his shirt. Just kind of scattered around in the shirt. And we've got 720. Let's see. 720 is the horseshoe looking one, which is in the flowers. Like right in here of the flowers. Gonna be like right in here. Where the shadow is, that's where those are gonna go. Alright, so 919 is an E, which are gonna be in the middle of the flowers. So that's where those are gonna go. And then 842. 842 is the music note. So 842 is going to go around his face. Around the sack of his face. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs in this kit. So that's pretty cool. Sorry about the noise. So yeah, that's pretty neat. And it does have on the bag, it has the canvas number and the size of it. So if you're like me and you store your drills away from your canvases, then you know what's on, you know, that bag of drills goes with this. So this, on Diamond Art Gift, this was called AB Scarecrow Among Sunflowers is the name of it, and it was $9.99. So that's not bad. $10 for a 55 by 40. Not bad at all, y'all. So this is what I got from Diamond Art Gift, and I just want to say thank you to them for sending this to me to share with all of y'all. And I will leave the links to these in my description box, along with any discount codes or anything. Y'all make sure you get over there, because during the holidays, they are doing all kinds of different discounts and everything. So just go check them out, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.